So today we're doing a little walk around for a Husqvarna YTH22V46. This is a, let's see, to check the serial number on the back here, find out what kind of year it is. Alright, there's the pertinent information. Looks like it was made in April of 19. So just a little over 3 years old. This particular model is a hydrostatic, and it has a cruise control. It has 6 settings on the height of the deck. That would be a 46-inch deck. Under the hood, we've got a Briggs & Stratton Intech V-Twin, 22 horsepower. And let's get around here and see the information on the inside of the hood. This is what's going on with parts for the blades and the belts and whatnot. Oil capacity. So yep, this one, so far it's a good running machine. The reason I have had it in my shop, if you'll see one of my previous videos, it had a bad vibration in the drive belt, and it was just a piece of wood that was jammed in the pulley underneath. So here it is. Look at this, a couple years, and the plastic is still on the emblem, but otherwise it's in great shape. Runs good. Good working lawn tractor. Alright, thanks for watching.